good evening from the Social Pathshala's Instagram page. Hello to all the followers and everybody who will be joining in today's live. Okay, so everybody, I wanted to quickly let you know about today's live. This is episode 31 of Pathshala Chit Chats, which is our weekly conversation series with senators from different walks of life. And in today's episode, we have a special guest with us, which is a unique sneak peek where they will share with us about traveling tips and how travel is truly ageless. So I'm just going to get you inside, Preeti auntie and uncle.
Hi, Mahima.
Hi, Preeti ma'am. Hi, Brajesh sir. How are you both doing?
We are fine. We're fine.
Thank you for joining in. And we have a lot of followers who have joined now. So I think we can begin with today's live.
Yeah, sure.
So let me go first by letting you know that I found you through your viral reel of
Okay.
Instagram, which
Okay.
was which was that 1 million viral reel, and I was casually scrolling through the page when I found you guys. So
Okay.
please tell us your story.
That was Brijesh just recorded it offhandedly. We had gone on a vacation. We were in Austria, and
Yeah,
it was his 65th birthday.
yeah.
Yeah, I just recorded and she was not awake at that time, so I just recorded it and kept it like. So I never wanted to put it on social media. मैं बोला चलो
Hmm.
यार कुछ record करके रख लेते हैं. So I just kept it, which was discussed later on in January, and then we
Yeah, and
posted it
then
like.
we posted it. His birthday was in October, but we got so
Oh,
many wishes now. Yeah.
but belated happy birthday, sir. I have another
Thank you.
wish for you today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Okay, great. So I think, yeah, that was the viral reel that got me to you guys, and I'm so glad because today I have so many questions which I want to ask both of you.
Okay.
And let me first ask you that what was your profession like before you forayed into the world of social media?
Okay. See, he is just traveling with
Oh,
me, and he helps me with this page. But I was, and I am still a homemaker.
okay.
Yeah, like most of the and a mother, most of the Indian moms. I'm
Yeah.
also a homemaker,
Yeah.
and he
I
is.
I used to travel long time back. I was in Merchant Navy, but then I
Oh,
came
wow.
back and settled down. Yeah.
So he's
Amazing.
from the oil and gas industry.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You guys remind me of one of my students of Social Pathshala. They're also an Indian Navy couple. It's
Okay.
Captain Haridas and Dr. Shanta. Their kids stay outside India and they have like minimum two travel visits a year. And
Yeah.
they're both almost nearing 80.
Oh,
So,
that's
they're another
amazing.
couple who are really inspiring. And I think your story also brings me memories of those days when I would talk to them about it.
So we also travel a
Hmm.
lot, and we kind of semi-retired now. So whenever we feel like, we just decide a place and we just go.
Yeah. So how do you decide a place? Do you like really open the world map or the globe and then you sort of point it out and then you say, okay, I want to go here.
See, it's not actually, we know of the countries, all of us. I think we have done geography in school. And you do hear, about places, that this particular place is beautiful. And we have traveled before also, because as he said, he was in Merchant Navy. So
Hmm.
I used to join him on the ship with my
Oh,
son.
wow.
And yeah, and so during my son's vacations,
Hmm.
I used to join him. So we have traveled to places, and of course, we know which places are beautiful. So we kind of have our bucket list that these are the places that we want to visit, and then we tick mark every year.
Oh wow, you
That's it.
already have a bucket list. I think we should now start thinking of a bucket list because we're so much on the go. We don't have time only to plan anything. So whatever we plan like 10 days before is what we actually go for. So there's no such bucket list that exists. So I think even I have to start making my bucket list now.
Bucket list is like for everything, whatever you
Yeah,
want to do, whatever you like to do. So just think of those things, and I think as and when we get time, we should be doing that.
yeah,
So,
absolutely.
yeah,
I think
yeah.
this just serves as a gentle reminder for that. Okay. So I wanted to ask you both that how did digital literacy, like how being digitally literate helped both of you to even understand how to travel better?
See, definitely, because I'll tell you very frankly, I never book my trips through any of the travel
Very.
agents. I book it
Mm.
myself. So I definitely do a lot of study, on the places I want to visit.
Yeah.
So definitely, if digital media, I had not known anything about digital
Yeah.
media, I wouldn't have been able
Yeah.
to do it.
Yeah.
So definitely that helps. So I think in my life it's very important.
Mm.
I consume a lot of social media. So, and I learned it on my own.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think it's in these days it's very very important
Yeah.
for everything, like even for your banking or anything, booking tickets,
Paying
paying
bills.
your bills, anything. It's very important. So that's how.
Yes, yes, Preeti ma'am, I agree with you because even at the social pathshala, I have a lot of students who are very digitally able, but they
Yeah.
still get stuck in, a lot of things which are especially related to banking and government apps. So usually, what I encourage them is to at least learn few things and then they can get to doing other things by themselves. But most of them are very scared that no, what if I touch this, it will go bad. मैंने अगर ये touch कर दिया तो मेरा phone off हो जाएगा. That is like that innate fear, वो
Oh,
off हो जाएगा,
Totally.
खराब हो जाएगा, what will my kids think of me? That is like a perpetual fear in their
yeah,
mind.
yeah, I know. But then, yes,
We are better off them,
yeah,
definitely.
In fact,
We are
regarding
much
bill
better.
payments, like digital payments help so much. Like a lot of my students when they travel overseas to visit their kids, उनका कोई gas bill pending है, कुछ pending है, it all happens through Google Pay now.
yeah,
And if they are using the website, then through the website. But
yeah.
like you rightly said, Google Maps हो गया, Google Pay हो गया, उसके बिना तो हम सोच ही नहीं सकते हमारी
सोच ही
जिंदगी.
नहीं सकते, एग्जैक्टली
Yeah,
एग्जैक्टली.
yeah,
तो आई थिंक आज की डेट में इवन इफ यू डोंट नो, join some class,
yeah,
maybe an online class, or
yeah,
join a class outside and learn the just the
yeah,
basics.
yeah.
I think those basics also help you a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's what we teach in our classes, but the need needs to be felt before joining these classes. Unless you
Definitely.
feel that need, you will not be encouraged.
Like
So,
many of their parents, they have kids staying with them at home, so the kids
huh,
do it and they don't feel the need.
yeah,
But
exactly.
but most of the cases today, the kids are not staying with their parents, the
Yeah.
kids are out, so I think today it's very important.
Yes, thank you for sharing. I hope when people see this part of the life, especially, they'll be a little encouraged to be more digitally independent. Um, okay, so Preeti ma'am, Rajesh, so you both shared how you guys were encouraged to travel more. So how did you feel about travel blogging? I see so many pages on Instagram and YouTube who are all travel bloggers. So didn't you feel a little overwhelmed with this clutter?
See, actually, I'm not competing with
Huh.
anybody. Most of the travel bloggers, if you see, they are very
Mm.
young, and they are constantly traveling. So we are not like that. We just, go on a holiday. We take it as a
Mm.
holiday and just
Yeah.
vlog our holiday. That is it.
Yeah.
Enjoyment comes first,
Yeah,
vlogging comes next.
yeah, yeah.
So true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, I mean, like we can, and otherwise also, I don't like to travel, keep traveling every
Mm.
month or every 15 days. I don't want to do
Yeah.
that. So I don't want to join that
The rut.
rut. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are happier where we are, whatever we are doing. Even if we are growing smaller in
Mm.
smaller ways, whatever, but we are happy where we are.
Yeah.
And I don't want to go, be in a rush
Yeah.
to reach at some place.
Yeah. Yeah. And you're not
That
even
is what.
worried about the result. I think that is what is very important. Most of us do something because we already think of the result before. We
Yeah.
don't want to enjoy the process. And you guys are clearly, I've seen most of your reels now. You guys are clearly enjoying your trips. You're just documenting what you feel like, which is
Feel like,
coming from
yeah.
within.
Yes.
And that is why you're enjoying it. Otherwise, you cannot enjoy something that you're doing.
Yeah.
It's like a digital diary, we
Yeah,
maintain.
actually. Yeah. Yeah, because you don't have the concept of a photo album anymore. I still carry my Polaroid camera, I still want to carry that Polaroid camera so that वो photos मैं कभी ना कभी use करूँ कहीं पे.
I
But वो
know.
concept ही नहीं है अब कि photos हम develop करें shop में
और वो
जाके. It's all there
हम
on our
ले भी
phones.
लेते हैं, फोटोज ले भी लेते हैं तो फ्रिज पे लगा देते हैं मैग्नेट के साथ
Exactly.
में, एंड इट्स जस्ट अ कपल ऑफ पिक्चर्स दैट वी
Yeah,
हैव.
yeah.
Rest,
I
yeah,
agree.
rest everything is on our laptops.
एंड वो भी बैकअप किसी का चला जाता है, सो दे गेट सो स्कैर्ड कि अब हम क्या करेंगे, हमारा मेमोरीज भी डिलीट हो गया बैकअप के साथ.
Delete हो गया. Yeah, yeah,
या
that's also very common.
या
Yeah. So,
बट या आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू बी प्रेजेंट सो दैट यू लिटरली रिमेम्बर इट एंड नॉट ओनली थ्रू फोटोज.
yes,
Correct. Correct.
the memory also should be there in your mind and in your heart always, you know.
हार्ट ऑल्सो. या
It's not, you're not traveling for people, you're traveling for
या
yourself, I would say,
या
So enjoy your travel.
या that's a very good point because most of us are uploading Instagram stories, checking how many people viewed it. हम
Yeah.
देख ही नहीं रहे कि हम सच में वो पिज्जा खा के like have we enjoyed having the pizza? Nobody's
Yeah.
thinking about that.
Yeah, yeah, but they want the pizza picture
Yes,
first.
yes, yes. Even if the pizza was pathetic in taste,
Yeah,
still they want a
yeah,
picture.
yeah. So, and that is why, when you put out that picture and you mention about some place or something, then, people want to go, the other people who are watching you want
Yeah,
to go there. They don't know the reality.
yeah,
So that is what I would want to tell everybody, that what you see in social media, on social media, is actually not 100% true, you
yeah,
know. Yeah. So जो तुम्हें पसंद है, whatever you like, you do that. If
yeah,
you like a certain place, if you want to go to a certain place, a certain restaurant, go. Don't go because the other people are going there.
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
very well put. I hope everybody has heard this point, especially the ones who are watching. So as you shared, Brijesh, so that you turned 65 years old in October, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
how, Preeti ma'am, did you come up with the idea of planning a tour for his birthday? People give gifts. You gave a travel gift. How did you plan that?
Yeah, actually, most of the time for our birthdays or anniversaries, we have a
Travel plan.
son. Yeah, we have just one son, and he lives in the US.
Oh,
So बहुत दूर है वो. पर वो आज आ रहा है,
yeah,
हॉलीडे के लिए आ रहा है.
yeah,
So it is just the two of us, So what we do for our anniversaries or birthdays is we travel.
yeah,
So instead of having a big party or something, we
yeah,
travel.
yeah,
So and then we decide, अच्छा इसके बाद अभी कहाँ जाना है, क्या है. Like now, I'll be turning 60 very
yeah,
soon. So then we've already decided where we want to go. So that
uh,
is what we do. Like for our birthdays and anniversaries, we travel. So I asked him where he always wanted to go to Austria. It's a beautiful country to drive, you
yeah,
know. So, and somehow we have traveled a lot, but we had not been to Austria.
yeah, yeah.
Uh, that's how then we decided, because getting a Schengen visa these days is also
It's
very
a
difficult.
problem. I
Yeah.
agree.
He's a Singapore citizen.
Hmm.
उसको कोई वीजा नहीं
Oh
चाहिए.
wow,
हर जगह
you're
वीजा मुझे
lucky.
ही लेना पड़ता है.
You have the
इन्होंने
strongest passport in the world.
या इन्होंने एक घर में इंडियन रखी हुई है. बाप बेटे ने तो I have to take visas.
हाँ.
So then once we got our Schengen visa, we were very sure where we wanted to go.
And then I love to drive actually.
Yeah.
Both of us, we love road travel, like
Oh, wow.
always.
Yeah.
We
Wow.
try to take a car over there and then just travel.
How do you manage the left-hand driving?
Oh, because as I told you, our son lives in the
हाँ.
US, so he's used to driving on the other side. In fact, वो इंडिया में कम drive करता है because
Of
we live
course.
in Mumbai and Mumbai traffic के लिए we
Oh.
have a driver.
Oh my
So
God.
the only place he drives in India is Punjab. So
Very smart decision.
yeah, so Punjab is half Canada, you know. तो
Yeah.
यहाँ पे उल्टा उल्टा चलाओ सीधा चलाओ सब चलता है.
You're on a highway, people are coming from other side. मैं
Other
कहूँ ये कनाडा की practice कर रहा है अभी.
Oh my God.
So,
In fact,
and
like I was actually in Austria. I was in Innsbruck in November, and it's such a
oh,
beautiful place.
beautiful place,
And I
yeah.
was contemplating if I should take the public transport or car. I did not get the confidence to go for a left-hand driving. Now I think I'm gonna use both of you to at
Yeah.
least think of using a left hand next time when I'm there.
Yeah, it's very easy actually. It's
Because
Yeah.
driving in those places are fun actually. If you're a really
Yeah.
good driver, like I mean, you don't need to be that
Yeah.
good driver, but
Yeah.
just be okay type, you know. And it's very easy like to drive over there. It's more
Yeah.
difficult to drive in India rather.
Absolutely. Like in Bombay, I think you will have a very nice leg workout if you're driving, especially if you're a manual driver.
We don't take manual.
he doesn't drive at all in Mumbai. Even if we have to go to somebody's place and our
Yeah.
driver is not there, he says, "Let's take a cab and go."
Yeah, yeah. I think that's what even my parents do. I love driving, so I just convince myself that it's okay, Mahima, you can drive in traffic also. But my parents always take the cab. They think if we don't have a driver, we will not be okay to drive around. So they just take a cab.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
I can understand.
Yeah, I mean it's just impossible. But yeah, now I'll be more encouraged to try left hand. I've convinced myself now.
You should, yeah, you
Yeah,
should
you can
try.
drive actually.
Once
Yeah.
you drive, you'll have the confidence.
Yeah, yeah. I think I have to do that next time.
Yeah.
I'm determined now. Okay, so that brings me to the next question, Soren ma'am. That now I'm seeing a lot of people are traveling, but I personally believe that in order to travel, you have to be in good health also. So
Yeah.
how do you both ensure that you're in good health? And can you share some tips which senior citizens can see and maybe benefit that and use in their lives?
You
See,
see, I always say this is
Hmm.
a time we should invest in our bodies. A lot of people have a
Yeah,
lot of investments, you
yeah,
see. And
yeah,
most of the time we are free, like, and this is the time at least take out 1 or 2 hours for yourself for
hmm,
exercise, you know,
yeah,
and that's very important
yeah, when you travel, especially if you're traveling
in
to
Europe.
hmm,
Europe or any other countries, you have to walk a lot.
hmm,
You know, you're doing 18, 20,000 steps every day, you
yeah,
know, maybe sometimes even more than that.
And
So,
slopes are there
yeah,
some places.
so
yeah,
I think walking you should practice every day. When
yeah,
you are at home,
hmm,
walk.
yeah,
Go, go to a garden close by,
hmm,
walk.
yeah,
And also, I think eating a little healthy.
hmm.
Um, I may not look that way.
She can say that.
I may not look that way, but I eat very healthy.
Doesn't matter. As long as you're healthy, how does it
Yeah,
matter?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
I feel very healthy. Yes,
yeah,
because yeah. So
No, we should always travel. I always say when you are physically fit, try to
hmm,
travel at that time. Don't wait
hmm,
for, कि बाद में जाएंगे. And by that time, maybe your legs are not with you and you're not physically that fit to actually enjoy the travel, you know.
absolutely. Yeah,
So I think walking is very eating healthy, and when you're traveling, also carry some light Indian snacks
hmm,
because कुछ दिन के बाद you want to have something Indian,
hmm,
you know. So कुछ light or your nuts or makhanas or
hmm,
whatever. We do carry all these things.
yeah,
So वो थोड़ा, and especially when you are on a road
hmm,
drive, these things come handy.
yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, so I think, I mean, walking is extremely very important. I remember one of the doctors that I used to consult with, he's also a family doctor. He would always tell me that 45 minutes of walking every day is very good for your heart health. So that's the bare minimum that we owe to our body.
Yes, definitely. And I think everywhere, every place has a garden close by,
Yeah.
so you can definitely go and take a stroll. Whatever you can do, start with 15 minutes. Not necessarily that you start with an hour or 45 minutes or something.
Yeah.
Start with 15 minutes.
Mm. Yeah. 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 So I think this is a reminder for everybody who's watching the live that even when you're at work and if you get a call, then walk and talk. That way you'll get a lot of steps in. And
In
this was, I think, Airtel or Vodafone's ad once upon a time, walk and talk, walk and talk.
walk and
Yeah.
talk.
Vodafone.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I think it's time to apply that because even I have a desk job. I'm mostly just working through my laptop, so I don't get a chance to walk. But whenever there's a phone call, I see my husband always picks up the call and starts walking. So I'm like,
Walking.
oh, I also have to start that.
These
So
days, everybody has a desk job.
yeah,
Nobody's out doing anything physical,
yeah,
physically.
yeah.
So
Preeti ma'am, we
Shahana
have a
is also
question for
asking.
you in the comments. Somebody's asked, what all
What
snacks
all
do you carry?
snacks do you? I also read. Hi, Shahana. So basically, as I said, I carry nuts and I
Yeah.
carry some makhanas or even theplas.
Hmm.
Hey, Plaza.
Yeah,
Theplas. Oh, I'm
I
a
think
fan.
Gujarati. I think one Gujarati snack that everybody loves to eat is theplas.
Same here.
So I carry theplas with myself, and I carry my own chai.
Huh.
So so वो जो इसकी
Premix.
premix teas
Huh.
you have, light
Hmm.
sugar, no sugar. I
Hmm.
carry those.
Okay.
So that you just need hot water for it. That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
these are the
Correct.
kind of things that I carry. Baki to from there you can buy some fruits with you and keep with you.
Yeah. Yeah. And personally, like when I'm traveling, then both of us like carrying a protein bar or we like
Yeah,
buying a protein bar,
yeah.
Yeah.
which will give us energy for the rest of the day in case we
Energy, yeah,
don't find good food around.
yeah.
So,
I don't have a sweet tooth. So he
oh,
has a sweet tooth. Yeah.
I
So
love swimming, but still I don't. We
yeah,
don't get into protein bars too much. But
okay.
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
But that's another healthy option
snack. Yeah.
that you can
Yeah. Yeah.
carry. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Brijesh, sir, you must be having a very strict fitness regime since you're from the Merchant Navy. Would you like to share some tips which are practical to implement?
Basically, I'm not a gym person. I don't go to
Acha.
gym. So I have a trainer who comes at home
Yeah.
Huh.
and he fixes me for 1 hour like so that's a good thing. It's
Yeah.
nothing to do
Hmm.
with merchant navy, but it's just like that we have to take care of our bodies, at
Yeah.
some point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
In the
evening,
evening I go for a walk
evening
stroll.
walks.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's what I do.
Hmm. Absolutely.
Because
Now
we
somebody's
have to take care of our
asking,
body.
yeah,
Hmm?
yeah, and actually, sir, what also
What were
happens
your
is that
favorite?
what were your favorite
Travel
travel
places.
places? Yeah, why don't we answer that?
Yeah. So basically, dramatic chick. Okay. So basically, I think we loved Turkey.
Mm,
Turkey was one place we love to go, and of course
Austria.
Austria,
yeah.
Yeah.
and also Budapest.
Okay, nice.
Budapest and London is my all-time favorite
Yeah.
Favorite.
destination. Yeah, London and New York.
New York, of course.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so those are.
Mumbai is rightly called the Indian New York City. So I
Yeah,
think
I
both are
I
very
like
alike.
New York because it's like Mumbai, a bustling
Yeah.
city.
Yeah.
I've lived all my life in Mumbai, so I'm a very city
You're
girl.
a true Mumbaikar.
No, true. Since school, I've been living in Mumbai.
Oh wow. Oh wow. That's amazing. So I think travel tips rightly shared. Walking is very important. Carrying the right kind of snacks is very important because it's not possible to find snacks everywhere, and sometimes the vending machines also don't work.
Don't
And
work. Yeah.
like personally feel that fitness has to be part of your daily life. It is actually a lifestyle thing and not a temporary thing. It has to be a permanent thing in your lives, which people
Yeah.
forget. So that's very important. I also noticed, Preeti ma'am and Brijesh, sir, that your Instagram page is very personal. So, who introduced you to Instagram? And amidst all of this, why do you think digital detox is also important in today's times?
See, basically, initially, though, I had my own personal Instagram page.
Okay.
Okay. But that got hacked. So and then I had to open another one, and then because I wanted to do something, and because I'm a good cook, so I thought maybe something on cooking I would do. But my friends and family, they said, because I prepare my own itineraries, and when they travel with me, they enjoy the
Oh,
travel.
wow.
So they said, no, no, you have to give tips on travel. You
Mm.
have to do something to do with travel,
Yeah.
So then I said, "ठीक है." So then one of my daughter-in-law's friend, she's in Mumbai. Her
Yeah.
name is Erica. So then I got in touch with her because I didn't know much about Instagram. I knew about Facebook, but
Yeah.
Instagram somehow I had not got the hang of it
Mm.
till then. So then she explained me everything. She helped me a lot
Yeah.
initially. So even how to upload your reels, how to make
Mm.
reels,
How
what are
nice.
people, yeah, what people expect, even using the right kind of hashtags. I
Mm.
had no idea.
Oh, wow.
So, so I think it just took me a month or so to learn these things,
Yeah.
and I picked it up. And of course,
Amazing.
to detox, I would definitely say that don't, spend too much time on net.
Mm.
Like your screen time should not be too much.
Yeah.
Try to avoid being using the screen too much.
Yeah.
So now, being a content creator, basically, I cannot go on a detox completely. But then yes, I try to avoid. So, uh, करने को तो the whole day you can sit on net, and
Nice.
but then थोड़ा सा avoid
Mm.
करो, you know and if you can, if you definitely, everybody is not a content creator, you can switch off your Instagram
Yeah.
or Facebook for a few days,
Yeah.
you know so it's better because बहुत सारा खराब content भी है,
Haha. Exactly.
online. So on when we consume that, we start thinking negative, you
Yeah.
know. So थोड़ा सा दिमाग को दुरुस्त रखने के लिए, it is better to avoid also the social
Yeah.
media.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just take a break I think just a single day break also in once in 15 days is fine,
Yeah.
But also screen time should be less.
Yeah.
So I think Priya is asking which place would you want to visit again? So I want to do an Alaskan cruise next.
Oh, that's my father's wish as well. He wants
Yeah.
to do an Alaska cruise.
Both of us want to do. I mean, somehow we've been to US so many times.
Mm.
We did the Bahamas cruise, but an Alaskan cruise has always been on our
Yeah.
bucket list. But कभी हो नहीं पाया,
Yeah.
you know. So it happens only when the time is right. So
Absolutely.
hopefully it's soon.
Amen.
Don't try to control things. Things will happen
Yeah.
the way it has to happen.
Happen,
I
yeah.
I also believe in that, Vijay. So like there's always hard work and then there's destiny. So both go hand in hand for things to work.
And then
Correct.
yes,
So
yes,
this is
yes.
one thing that I truly believe in. And regarding digital detox, I just wanted to quickly share with everybody that whenever I also teach my students, they're all senior citizens, I always tell them that there are digital detox methods on social media.
Okay.
Like for Instagram, let's say for example, Instagram, there's a timer option which you can
Yeah.
actually activate, which will
Activate.
literally tell
Yeah.
you that, okay, you have been scrolling for 15 minutes, stop, take a
Now
break.
stop. Yes,
Same
yes.
feature is available
I
on
have
YouTube
switched that
also.
on. I
Yeah,
have switched
yeah,
that on.
yeah. Thank you for sharing because the same feature is available on YouTube also. I've shared a video on that also on my page. The second option that is available on Instagram is something called as a quiet mode, which sort of silences all your Instagram notifications after a certain time, which you can select. So you
Yeah.
can I mean, if you don't know that, then even you can try it out. And I would encourage all of you to try that out because these are two digital detox features that are available on the app currently.
Yeah.
We
So,
don't have
I
notification.
I don't switch
We
on
don't have
any
a notification.
notifications. I don't switch on notifications because if you see notifications, you'll open.
yeah,
Then you end
So
up opening.
yeah. So I don't have
So let us
notifications.
see what we want to see rather than what
Yeah.
Instagram wants
yeah,
to show
Show
us.
us.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So yeah,
yeah,
definitely those are two very good points,
yeah.
that we can take care of.
And just
Yeah.
One more tip that I would like to share with everybody is that whenever you're trying to sleep at night, you can keep your phone on general, but you can switch off the Wi-Fi and mobile data. So at
Yeah.
least आपके notifications नहीं आएंगे, and if anybody is trying to reach you, they can reach you via a phone call. So keep your phone on general, but keep your Wi-Fi and mobile data off.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a bad idea.
Not
But
a bad.
normally I keep my mobile ringer off, like, so there is
Okay.
no.
Uh, that's the best actually, but very few people are able to do that because you're not able to disconnect from your business, or you're constantly thinking about कि क्या हो रहा है, किसी का आ गया phone तो. But it's very difficult, but it's still possible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So somebody's asking, Shana is
Yes.
asking again, how do I plan my itinerary? So, what kind of hotels I should choose? She wants to travel solo, and what website to choose your
Yeah.
booking. So basically, my websites that I use, just you can check from Google or Make My Trip or Expedia or whatever you're using. Check those for that itinerary. I basically that I have put up a reel.
Mm.
You can check out my page. How do I plan my itinerary? So basically, according to the days that you want to travel to, and so I then I read about the country that I'm planning to go to.
Yeah.
So wherever I feel what I want to see, I plan my
Yeah.
itinerary accordingly.
How many days you have free,
You have, so what kind of hotels? I think hotels are, that depends on your budget.
Yeah.
If you want to live in a hostel or a hotel, places are safe. Just see that the surroundings are
Yeah.
safe. So, you can fix your hotel according to your budget. So that is how. And then Ananya says, I love your content. My Masi and Bade Papa are just like you. I love you, darling.
That's so nice. So many people will be able to relate to both of you because even they have elders at home. So
Yeah.
it's
yeah.
uh, it's going to be such a relatable thing to feel, because they'll also encourage the elders in their family that if they both can, then why can't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And most of the time we are traveling two of us only. Like,
Yeah.
it's not like in a group or anything, like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is something good actually. We
Yeah.
enjoy that part.
Yeah. People
That's so
often
nice.
wonder, तुम दो कैसे travel कर सकते हो? I said हमारे साथ हम दो ही travel कर सकते हैं. So, I mean, we've not done many group travels. I think once or twice. We have
Mm.
Turkey with my brother Bobby and one of the friends.
Okay.
So, yeah. And otherwise, generally, we travel alone, both of us.
See,
Wow.
हम दोनों क्या होता है, somewhere we can sit just for a coffee, we'll
Mm.
spend half an hour over there.
Yeah.
Other people want to see the places over there, and we are not
Yeah.
interested. So, yeah, we are enjoying a cup of coffee here, so that
Yeah.
is okay.
Yeah.
So that way, like.
Yeah, I think it's never enough because when you're traveling, you also have to feel ना कि you're actually enjoying a place. तो तुम
Enjoy.
खाली इधर से उधर भागते रहोगे तो वो कभी
Correct.
feeling आएगा ही नहीं.
अगर
Yeah.
आप ट्रैवल पेजेस देखोगे इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो दैट इज व्हाट दे आर शोइंग, लाइक वी आर गोइंग हियर नाउ, टुडे वी आर हियर, टुडे वी आर
Yeah, yeah,
देयर,
no.
एंड दे जस्ट रनिंग अराउंड. तो that doesn't happen in normal life.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
enjoy your I would say enjoy your
yeah,
travel. Don't
yeah,
fall into any rut. Just enjoy whatever you are doing, whether it is travel, whether it is cooking, whatever it is. Just enjoy what you
yeah,
do. Whatever is your passion, do that.
yeah. That's so important for us to hear because that's what even I'm doing. But you constantly need those words of encouragement. Continue doing. It's okay. This is what your passion is. जाओ जाओ उसी वे में जाओ कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच जाओगे.
Latika is saying enjoying the content that you post, and it's very inspirational.
Yeah, it
Thank you.
is.
Thank you so much.
It is so genuine also, which is so hard to find in today's social media.
Yeah. So, I
No, we
mean,
don't have any purpose to do it. We
Ah,
just do it for our fun.
mm,
See, I mean, other
yeah.
people have their different
yeah,
agendas or whatever you say.
Yes, yeah. We just love traveling and we travel. And मैंने सोचा चलो अभी let's kind of put it on social media.
mm,
So let's see something new that I'm learning these
yeah.
days.
Every day,
You're also
every
able
day.
to
Every day I
apply
learn.
that. Apply
Yes.
that. Yeah.
This is our first live session. Can you
Yeah,
believe it?
this is our first live.
We have
I'm
never
so glad
done
I
it.
got the opportunity. Now I'm going to flex about that.
So we were like,
So,
I was asking my agency, I said, phone को vertical रखना है कि horizontal रखना है?
because we too want to be in the frame, like, so
Yeah.
we are a little bit reluctant how to keep these things, like.
Yeah.
So
And
this,
in fact,
yeah,
actually, Preeti ma'am, Rajesh sir, like whenever I go live, it's all with people who are, either above 55 or above 60. So they don't know the process of getting added to a live. So I have that template ready. And I
yeah.
Oh,
literally have those steps ready. I send that to them. That's the first time most of them also
So,
be
to
inside a
come in.
live. So it's a
yeah,
learning for them also. And then after that, they've done so many lives, which they're enjoying. So
yeah. And I'm sure
it's
I'll
super
also
fun.
will be doing a lot. Now that I've learned it from you, Mahima.
Yeah, yeah. Now I think you can say yes to a lot of lives.
Yeah.
Live, yeah.
So,
So, like while we are at it, and you spoke about how you both travel together. So, a lot of couples, they get lost in the world of social media, comparison, family
yeah.
responsibilities, and all that jazz. So, how do you both keep this thread intact? And any tips for our fellow couples, including me?
See, आजकल everybody wants to do what the other people
Hmm.
are doing, whatever they see on social
Yeah,
media, कि ये जन यहाँ गया है या इस रेस्टोरेंट में गया है तो मुझे इसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाना
ha,
है, मुझे यही खाना है. So as I said before also, just do what you love to
yeah,
do. Don't do what people are doing.
yeah,
Whatever they are showing you is not 100% right. And
yeah,
maybe they want to do that. Maybe they want to go to that
hmm,
place. They are also not following somebody. They're just going on their own.
yeah,
So you do what you want to do.
yeah,
You go where you want to go. That is the thing you should be doing. Don't follow people like
yeah,
that. कि
yeah,
किसी के पीछे लग के कुछ मत करो.
hmm,
And then only you will enjoy your life, you'll chill in your life
hmm,
and find
yeah,
peace.
yeah,
Peace is here,
Yeah, peace.
not there.
yeah,
या एंड ये नहीं कि मैंने एक पिक्चर पोस्ट किया तो मुझे कितने
ha,
लाइक्स आए हैं those likes are not important.
yeah,
Your family should like you and love you. Your
yeah,
close ones will always love you, don't
yeah,
worry. You don't need too many people to like and love you.
yeah,
Just a few of them are more than enough.
yeah.
Yeah,
Rajesh,
like
sir, do you want to share some 2 cents on this?
No, no, basically, my idea is the same thing. What you feel, I mean, for me, peace, happiness, everything is here. It's nothing to
Yeah,
do with outside. If you feel happy, you are actually happy. And
yeah,
you have to see, you have so many things which other people don't have. Think
hmm,
about those things
hmm,
rather than what you don't have.
yeah,
So this is how I always say it, like.
yeah,
both of us are the same.
hmm,
We don't follow anybody like
yeah,
that blindly.
hmm,
We just do. I mean, like it is not कि किसी ने Northern Lights देखी है तो अभी मुझे next month तो मुझे Northern Lights देखने के
yeah,
लिए जाने का है.
yeah,
It is not like that. We do what we go to places that we think
yeah,
that those are in our bucket list,
yeah.
not in somebody else's
Your
bucket
bucket
list.
list. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's very important. Then you'll find peace.
yeah,
And these days, peace is very important.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think this is a very good point for all the couples, irrespective of their age, that you
Yeah.
should do what you both want to do and not what your friends did or what friends of friends did or what your cousins did.
Yeah.
That's like the rut we are stuck in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Youngsters these days are like that.
Yeah,
They all want to do things what others are
yeah.
doing. So,
It's all a
Tavi,
result of instant gratification, also, I believe.
yeah.
Yeah. Sahana, yes, absolutely. I totally agree with that. That was the intention. So glad that you're resonating with it.
Yeah. I think we are getting good, very good, sweet comments. I love you all.
Yes. Somebody is your big fan and they would love to meet you. You should organize a meet and greet soon then.
Yes. Yes.
We can
Definitely.
only do digitally. It's very difficult to meet people.
Yeah, someday it will happen, sir. You will not know when that day comes, and you will be demanded a physical meet
Yeah,
and
yeah.
greet.
Hopefully, chalo. But anyways, that's not so important. The important we are getting love from social media. That is one big thing, Till now, like everybody has given us such sweet comments on
Yeah,
Instagram, you know. So अभी तक like trolling हुआ नहीं है. So I think we are blessed.
I tell her जिस
yeah,
दिन ट्रोलिंग होगी समझो तुम पॉपुलर हो गए.
very
So
true.
we have.
Yeah,
People have been the viral
read.
reel that you are
Hmm.
talking about. Uspe the comments, there's so many comments, like about I think 3,000 comments, and everybody has written such sweet comments. They have said such sweet things to
Yeah,
us. So I mean, I was telling British, I said we are really
yeah,
blessed. At
yeah,
least हमें लोगों से ऐसी बातें सुनने को मिल रही
yeah.
हैं. So it's really great, and I'm thankful to them.
And I'm glad that they were able to connect with you in a very personal way through this session, because otherwise it's just mostly behind the scenes.
Yeah.
So I'm
Yeah.
so glad that they took out the time to join this also. And
Yeah.
I will want to say thank you to them after, of course, I'm done asking my last question, which brings me to ask both of you that if you want to share some tips for all the youngsters who are watching this live, and let's say all the elders who are watching, any tips for them to take their first step towards becoming digitally empowered?
Digitally empowered. I would definitely say that this skill is something that you definitely need to know
Yeah,
today,
yeah,
in today's world.
yeah,
So if you are not digitally empowered, I mean, you won't be comfortable,
yeah,
and anybody can take you for a ride with so
mm,
many scams happening, you know so definitely you should learn these skills,
yeah,
even if I can help you in any way. Mahima is always doing it on her page, so learn from
yeah,
that. So yeah.
No, I always say YouTube is the best teacher I
yeah,
have now.
Yeah.
Anything, whether it's a manual of a camera or anything going wrong, right, you just type in over there, it
Yeah.
gives you some answer over there.
yeah,
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 Earlier it
YouTube
used
is
to be Google, but now it's YouTube because you can actually see things in
in a
visually,
video
like
way.
yeah,
visual, like.
yeah.
So that's a very good thing actually.
Yeah.
For anything, we also plan sometime we want to see
Mm,
things. We just switch on the YouTube, type in whatever you want to know, and it gives you almost 90% of what you are looking
yeah,
for. So that's something very good actually.
yeah.
तो वही है. और वैसे भी आई मीन यंगस्टर्स डेफिनेटली नो, बट उन यंगस्टर्स के लिए यही है कि डोंट फॉलो व्हाट अदर्स आर टेलिंग
Mm,
यू, जस्ट डू व्हाट इज इन योर हार्ट. एंड एल्डर्स के लिए आई वुड डेफिनेटली से कि लर्न दिस स्किल, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज आज की डेट एंड एज में everybody goes through an emptiness syndrome, wherein you don't have anybody yet, and none
mm,
of your kids are
yeah,
at home to teach do things for you. So
mm,
if you are not digitally empowered, so you will lack in every way.
yeah,
So you need to learn
yeah,
this. It's very important.
yeah.
So definitely, I think go and watch Mahima's channel. Like she's giving a lot of good tips.
Yeah.
So
That's what I aim to do, because the idea of the social pathshala started like that. That somebody was facing a trouble, and that is when my ex boss told me that youngsters के पास बहुत resources है, elders के पास नहीं है, उनको सिखाओ पहले. And
Right.
that's how it
That's
started.
very good.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
good actually.
very good.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's
And that is
excellent
why
job
I make
actually.
sure I tell them that these are the basic things that you need to know. You need not go deep into the subject. You just need to know something that will help you and make your life more convenient. So technology, we think, is becoming our slow enemy because of all the disadvantages that people talk about, but it's more our friend than foe, because it's made our life so easy. Like today, when I order on Blinkit, it comes to me in like 10 minutes, literally in
minutes.
the
Yeah,
blink of an eye.
yeah, very true.
Yeah.
So basically, everything has its advantages and disadvantages.
Yeah.
So, use the advantages more to your advantage. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
I would say that,
Yeah.
So that's.
Good.
Any last words of encouragement that you both want to share with your followers and even for Social Pathshala's followers before we say goodbye?
See, for us, I would say for us, travel is a therapy.
Hmm.
So if you love to travel, definitely travel as much as you can. But what your pocket allows you to
Hmm.
do, not what
Yeah.
others are doing. I always keep saying that don't follow other people, do what you can do. Even if travel is not your passion, cooking is your passion, do what your
Yeah.
passion is and enjoy your work, whatever you are doing,
Yeah.
enjoy your work. Spend time with your partner.
Yeah.
That is also very important.
Yeah.
Spend some time with your partner. Enjoy each other's company because आजकल सब लोग चले जाएंगे तुम पार्टनर से इकट्ठे रहोगे सो एंजॉय योर पार्टनर्स
Yeah.
कंपनी बच्चे तो छोटे होते हैं घर से निकल जाते हैं फिर धीरे धीरे करके सो एंड में तुम लोग दो जन ही रह जाते हो
Yeah.
तो वो दो जन के साथ ऐसे मत सोचो कि अब हमारी लाइफ यही है
Hmm.
ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन को रेज करना है और वॉट एवर नहीं एक दूसरे को एंजॉय करो so if you don't love your partner you don't enjoy your partner's company then आपको मजा नहीं आएगा
Very
do that even for youngsters I would say the same thing you know और हर एक में बुरी बातें होती हैं अच्छी बातें होती हैं nobody is perfect but
yeah.
look at the good things
Yeah. Wow.
That
That
will save you a lot of trouble,
yeah
Because our focus is ये वाली चीज ठीक नहीं है अरे
yeah.
बाकी nine things are okay,
Yeah.
one thing is not okay, it's okay,
Yeah.
and you are also not perfect, like
Yeah.
nobody is perfect
Yeah.
so
accept people like the way they are,
accept your partner as he or she
Hmm.
is and enjoy their company.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
partners being together is very important in today's day,
yeah.
you know. So,
Absolutely.
I would say that. For
Actually, in our age group, most of the time we have been running around
Hmm.
for
yeah,
other things,
Yeah.
So after a certain time, when your kids are settled,
Hmm.
most of the kids are gone away. So this is a time, you can enjoy each
Yeah.
other.
yeah.
Find out some passion, whatever is your passion, you
Hmm.
see. Go and do it.
Yeah.
Like, I always say that.
Yeah.
Find out what you like, do it.
Aajkal everybody is talking about the empty nest syndrome, but
Hmm.
you see how you can overcome it.
Yeah.
What you
She
what
has been through that.
Yeah, I have been through that, but it's like my kid went away from home when he was 17, after
Oh.
his 12th. Yeah, after his 12th. So it was difficult
Hmm.
initially, but then I have overcome that. And
Yeah.
so you have to find ways to overcome
Yeah.
that because kids have to move out of home and they have to make a life of their own.
Yeah.
So के पीछे मत पड़े रहो अपने
Yeah.
पार्टनर के पीछे पड़ो
Very true. And even that's what my parents always told me that you cannot rely on someone or something or some situation for happiness. You also have to find out ways to self motivate yourself, even on days when there's nobody around you to motivate.
motivate exactly I would say that
So
I would say that
I blindly follow that, and I think it's working really well because even after marriage, you're having so many responsibilities. Suddenly, you have your own business to handle, you have responsibilities. Amidst that, even finding time for yourself and for your partner is very important.
most important thing is love
Yeah,
yourself loving yourself is the most important thing every
yeah.
day wake up in the morning stand in front of the mirror and say I love myself
वो मुझसे अभी तक नहीं होता है. I must admit that.
अब मैं अब
हाँ,
सीख गई हूँ
हाँ.
So I do that. I mean, like, because if you don't love yourself,
Hmm,
then what complications only. So
absolutely.
start loving yourself.
Yeah.
Spend time with yourself.
Hmm,
You should
yeah.
have a me time also.
Hmm,
Us time तो है ही है,
hmm.
लेकिन me time भी होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, go on a date with yourself. Why not?
Yes, why not?
Yeah,
Why not?
yeah. I buy
And in
myself a
fact,
hot
go.
chocolate every day at Starbucks because, of course, coffee doesn't suit me. So I buy myself a hot chocolate every
Hot
day and I
chocolate.
work out of there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's very nice.
Yeah,
Yes. Do something for yourself also. You
yeah,
definitely deserve it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I hope all the followers who joined in today's live were motivated enough. There were so many beautiful thoughts shared, and this will leave you feeling even more inspired. And maybe when you go to bed tonight, you will tell yourself that tomorrow is a fresh day. Let's start loving myself more and let's do something that I truly want to. Thank you, Brijesh sir. Thank you, Preeti ma'am. I hope to
Thank
see
you
you guys in person also very soon.
very
And
soon.
sure.
and I wish you all the best. I know your page will grow by leaps and bounds.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mahima, and thank you for our first live.
Ah, I will flex that once you become big on social media.
Thank you so much, and thank you to all of you who have written such sweet comments. We love you.
Yes. Thank you, everybody. Good
Okay, bye
evening.
Okay.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.